In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment gateways in Zoho Books. We'll walk through the entire process from opening your browser to connecting a payment provider, so you can start accepting customer payments directly from your invoices. Before we begin, make sure you have admin access to your Zoho Books organization and the login details for your chosen payment provider ready. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Zoho. Head to the official Zoho site and sign in. If you're already logged in, you'll land on the Zoho app launcher. From here, look for Books and select it to open your Zoho Books organization. If you manage multiple organizations, confirm you're in the correct one before proceeding. Once Zoho Books is open, go to the top right corner and click the gear icon. This opens your application settings. Find the section for integrations or settings and choose online payments. This is where all supported payment gateways are managed. You'll now see a list of popular payment providers such as Stripe, PayPal, and Square, along with other regional options. Identify the gateway you want to use and click Set Up Now or Connect Now. If you're unsure which provider to choose, consider where your customers are located, the types of cards you need to accept, and the transaction fees offered by each provider. You can always add more than one gateway later if needed. Follow the on-screen prompts to log into your selected payment provider. You'll be redirected to a secure sign-in page for that service. Enter your credentials and authorize Zoho Books to connect. If your provider supports multiple accounts or locations, you may be asked to select the specific account you want Zoho Books to use. Choose the one that matches your business operations to avoid confusion during reconciliation. Once connected, Zoho Books may automatically create a clearing account for incoming payments. This means customer payments will first appear in that clearing account and can then be transferred to your designated bank account, keeping your transaction flow organized and easier to reconcile. If you see options to configure currency, payment methods, or customer-facing payment pages during setup, review them carefully to match your preferences. When you return to Zoho Books, confirm the gateway shows as connected. You can now enable online payments on your invoices, giving customers a convenient Pay Now button. If the connection doesn't complete, check for pop-up blockers, confirm you're using the correct provider credentials, and try again. That's it. Your payment gateway is now set up in Zoho Books and ready to accept payments.